Do you want to give your videos a futuristic sci-fi vibe? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a full body scan effect in CapCut Mobile using the built-in video effects feature. Let's get started. First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Body Effect. Browse through the available effect categories, or you can search for Full Body Scan or Light Dissolve. Tap the effect to preview it on your video. You will see a scanning light move across the detected subject. If you're happy with the look, tap the check mark and apply the effect. Now, drag the edges to shorten or extend the duration. And play your video before exporting to see the final result. And there you have it! That's how you create a full body scan effect in CapCut Mobile. Keep editing, keep creating, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.